English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Just now, kilometre, make sure. Just now. A2 learners usually know just now. At A2, just now refers to a very short time ago. Here are some examples. She gave her essay to me just now. Here it is. I saw him just now in the corridor downstairs. When we came in just now, everyone stopped talking. Kilometre. Kilometre is a noun. A2 learners usually know kilometre. A kilometre is a distance of 1,000 meters. Here are some examples. We live 1 kilometre from the shops. Do you use miles or kilometres? If you drive 70 kilometres to work and back, that takes time. Make sure. Make sure is a phrase. A2 learners usually know make sure. To make sure means to take action so that something happens. Here are some examples. Try to make sure that you bring the correct money. Make sure that you turn off the light before you leave. She likes to make sure that she has locked the front door. Now write some of your own sentences with just now, kilometre and make sure. Download the free A2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.